Hola chicos, ¿qué tal estáis? Soy Natalia.
Bienvenidos. Sin problemas, I'll teach you Spanish. So let me just tell you a bit about myself. I'm from Barcelona. I like traveling, discovering new countries, meeting people from other cultures. I've recently traveled to Gambia and I'm trying to learn Mandinga. Abenyari, Kontanate, Somolle. Okay, I'll get there one day. My video lessons are based on real characters, real situations. They're actually based on personal experiences, and I'll show you the Spanish spoken by the natives as well as the Spanish culture. Muchas gracias. Thank you for watching. If you want to find out more about my lessons, you can visit my website at highwaytospanish.com. And don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any Spanish video lessons. Take care.